I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering up the X9 Ultra and making sure it will stay on during pairing. Once charged to roughly 50%, press and hold the side button until the logo appears. This boots the device. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and location are enabled, then open the app and choose Pair New Device. You will grant the app notifications and location permissions. This enables precise syncing. Don't skip charging or permissions, because pairing can fail without adequate battery or access to Bluetooth and location services. Once the app detects the X9 Ultra, you confirm the 6-digit PIN on both devices. This secures the link. After pairing, the app uploads time, contacts, and notification permissions so messages and calls appear correctly. Next, sync health metrics. Set your step goal, heart rate sample frequency, and preferred units like km versus mi. Make customizations now, choose a watch face, assign quick actions to side buttons, and enable Do Not Disturb schedules. These choices reduce interruptions and tailor data collection to your routine. You're ready to use the X9 Ultra for daily tracking and smart features. Wear it snugly above the wrist bone for accurate heart rate and SpO2 readings. Make sure to accept firmware updates in the app, install them, and restart the watch if an update seems stuck. Once done, test notifications, music controls, and a quick workout to confirm sensors work. If something goes wrong, try restarting the watch, repairing in the app, and verifying permissions. A factory reset clears persistent issues as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.